Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. If you're new here, my name is Maria. I do DIYs, hauls, reviews and more. So if you love to craft and do budget friendly home decor, you should definitely subscribe and hit the bell button to get notified every time I upload. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you 3 budget friendly home decor DIYs using most of Dollar Tree items, and they can be used all year round. My first DIY is this Rustic Farmhouse planter. This was inspired by the one I seen at Pottery Barn. Also, I made something similar like this during Christmas when I did my lamp post. From Dollar Tree, I will be using 2 of these decor signs and 2 spider plant picks. I will be using some popsicle sticks. These are the jumbo ones from the brand Craft Square. You can use those, but I will be using the ones I got from Lowe's. These are way bigger than the ones from Dollar Tree and they were $1 as well. I am showing you 2 options you can use. The first thing I will be doing is removing the back of this decor sign. It's not that hard to remove. You just have to keep pushing and pushing until it comes off. Like I said, I'm using these sticks instead of the ones from Dollar Tree. So I'm using 24 in total. 30 come in a pack for just $1 at Lowe's. And if you were to use the ones from Dollar Tree, I think you need 30 because they are smaller. But yeah, it can still work, just it's gonna be a little bit shorter. I wanted to use this one because it makes the planter taller. To make sure my planter is nice and straight, I will be using this L-shaped ruler thing I got from Dollar Tree. I will be gluing 5 sticks on each side. To make the excess on the sides, I will be using 1 paint stick and I'm going to cut it in half using a box cutter. I will be doing that to each side, so I'm going to use I made the sides straight. Now I'm just using my hot glue to glue these. So I decided to add some stands, and this was a last minute thing. I am going to use some of these Dollar Tree little squares. I'm using 12 in total, 3 on each side. And I'm going to make like a V shape on each corner. Once I am done doing that, I'm going to paint it using the Waverly antique wax. I did end up adding some more greenery just because this wasn't enough. I need like 4 of these picks for it to look fuller. But before I put these inside the planter, I am going to remove the flowers because I will be using that in the next DIYs. And like always, you can decorate it however you like. I'm going to show you another option you can use, and I will be using these boxwood greenery I got from Walmart. This is what I love about this planter, is that you can change it all year round and can use it all year round. And this is approximately 9 inches tall. My second DIY is this beautiful home decor sign. For this DIY, I will be using the last Easter sign that I have. This is from Dollar Tree. I am also using some wired jute cord, the flowers from the spider plant, and poster letters. These are from Walmart, and 2 popsicle sticks. I'm going to remove the bow and the feet and also the string that comes with this sign. I will be using the back, so I'm going to give this 1 coat of this Waverly chalk paint and elephant. And I decided last minute to mix a little bit of the silver paint. It's from the brand Waverly as well, and I just added a little bit, and I didn't mix it. I just used the paintbrush to brush it through, and I like the effect it gave it. Like it had like little white streaks. They kind of look white, but they are silver. I am going to measure the paint sticks to the side of the sign, and then I'm going to cut them and then paint them with the antique wax. Before I glue the sticks to the sign, I will be painting the word home. To do that, I'm going to trace the letters H, M, and E. I am not tracing the O since I'm going to use a wreath. And like I said, these poster stickers, they're not stickers, my bad. These poster letters are from Walmart. You can use the ones Dollar Tree carry, or you can also print some out. I like these because they are big, and since this sign is big, I decided to use some Dollar Tree jumbo popsicle sticks in between each word. Like that, I know there's the same amount of space in between them. Next, this M is wider than the E and the H, so what I'm doing is I'm going to try to make it smaller. Once I am done tracing the letters, I'm going to paint them using the acrylic paint, and I did have to give this like 2 coats. I wanted my sign to look more rustic, so I'm going to use the Dollar Tree sand sheet and just sand it over the letters and on the sign. Even though I am not using the letter O, I'm still gonna use it just so like that I can measure how big I want my little mini wreath to be. To add the sticks, and I want them to be slanted, so I'm going to cut a little bit off. I will be doing the same thing to the one at the bottom. What I love about this sign is that I'm going to be able to use it all year round. In order for me to do that, I do have to add this little small hook, and I got this from Dollar Tree. It came in a pack. I'm going to paint it with the Waverly chalk paint and elephant, so like that it can blend in with the sign. I glued the 3 flowers I took off from the Spider-Man plant. Sorry, not Spider-Man, the spider plant. I took 3 of them, and this is how I made the wreath. And the last thing I added was some of the jute string around the top and the bottom. And that is it for this home decor sign. I love how this turned out. I'm going to be able to use it all year round by just switching the little wreath. For my last DIY, I will be using things that I had left over from my first and second DIY. I'm going to use the little back piece I removed from the first DIY decor, and I'm going to paint it using the antique wax. I will be making a bead hanger, and I'm going to use these beads I got from Walmart. I'm going to add like 5 or 6. By the way, if you see that hole in that decor piece, is because I was going to use it for the planter. I was gonna make like a top for it, but I decided not to use it. So here I am making this little cute sign using this piece. To cover the hole, I will be using a piece of felt. I'm going to cut it and then glue it to the back.